Someone once said there is money in the follow-up. Well, if that's the case, you don't ever want to miss out on a follow-up opportunity, right? Well, what if I told you that there is a way to automate your follow-up to ensure that you never miss an opportunity again? If you want to find out more, stay tuned. Let's go. Hey peeps, and welcome back to Hey Akila P TV. If we have not been formally introduced, please allow me to do that. My name is Akila Pitts, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, system strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at AkilaPitts.com, helping visionary entrepreneurs be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. So if that's you, be sure to click that subscribe button to make sure that you don't miss a moment of this automation awesomeness. Now, many of us can think back on times where we missed out on a follow-up opportunity, which means that we missed out on an opportunity to make a sale. And that doesn't feel good at all, right? So let's talk about 3 ways in which you can automate your follow-up to ensure that that never happens again. The first way, abandoned cart campaigns. Now, what does abandoned cart campaigns allow us to do is to follow up with those who may have landed on our sales page or our order form, but did not quite purchase. You don't know what might have happened. They might have got a phone call, child might have ran in the room and they got distracted, anything of that nature. Maybe they had to go check their funds. Something of that nature pulled them off that sales page. And we want to make sure that we are following up on every possibility to get them to buy. So by creating these abandoned cart campaigns, what it allows you to do is to follow up with them via email and say something like, hey, I noticed you were on my sales page recently, but you didn't purchase. Do you have any questions or anything that I can answer for you to be able to help to better inform you to make this purchase? Anything of that nature will allow you to be able to continue to nurture this person so they can go from just a lead to an actual client or customer. So by incorporating that abandoned cart campaign, you are following up with those potential clients or customers to encourage them to move forward with working with you. The second way in which you can automate your follow-up is by using task and task outcomes. Now, what I love about task and task outcomes is you can use them for a myriad of things, including following up on leads that may have filled out a lead capture form on your website, or following up with that customer whose credit card expired or just did not respond to the payment notifications. Either way, by automating this follow-up, what it allows you to do is not have your hands on every step in that process, but still ensure that every step in that process gets taken care of. Because Ontraport can send out the reminder emails, and then the only time that you actually have to get on the phone or actually have to reach out to that person is when that actual personal touch is needed. But either way, by automating this system, you are not only allowing these emails to fire off, but you're also allowing the system to remind you of when that follow-up is needed. And the third way to follow up is via SMS. SMS is a great tool because you are reaching people at a very personal level via their cell phone. This is great, especially when you have a live event that they're showing up for, or something like a webinar or something of that nature. Yes, email is alive and kicking. However, when you can automate the reminder of a webinar via the cell phone, you know that they got their phone with them. You know that they're going to more than likely read that message. And you know that will be the prompt to have them attend live, whether it is in person or attending an actual live webinar. There is so much strength in using SMS to be that follow-up for you and to be that reminder not only for you, but to your customers to attend or get involved in whatever it is that you are promoting as a result of SMS. So there you have it. 3 ways in which you can automate your follow-up using the abandoned cart campaign, task and task outcomes, as well as SMS. So tell me in the comments below, which one of these automated ways are you currently using in your business? If you're using none of them right now, let me know below exactly which ones you plan to incorporate and how you are going to use them in your business. Did you enjoy this video? Great. Be sure to like, share, and best of all, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a moment of this automation awesomeness. That's all for now. Take care. Bye.